In this video, I'm going to break down some tips that I use on taking notes during calls and meetings. I'm still learning how to do this, but I at least want to share some of the things I've done in the past and some of the things I know about taking notes and some of the things that have helped me. So the first tip that I will give is when you're on a call, don't try to write down every word that the person is saying, but you want to write down bullets and try to summarize. So let's say you're meeting with someone and you're asking them about a problem that they're facing and they're talking to you about that problem and what they've been doing to try to solve it. Instead of trying to write down because the thing is you can't really write and listen at the same time. One of them is going to take precedence. Either you're going to be writing and then you can't hear what they say, or you're listening and then you might forget to write. So what I would do is, or what I like to do is just summarize, write bullets and just try to make points on what the person is saying, not necessarily every single word, but just summarize and write bullets on whatever it is the person is saying. Something else I like to do is to repeat back points or ask the person to repeat. So let's say you're trying to write and listen, but you missed something. You can say, okay, here's what I have. Let me know if this is correct. And then you just read back. Or you can ask them, you can say, what'd you say again? And then you can make sure to clarify whatever it is that you have. So make sure that you have the right thing. And by doing this, you can also make sure that what you have is accurate so that you can help them in the best way. The third thing that I like to do that you can also try is take a short video if needed. You can, of course, let them know. You can say, is it okay if I record this? You can either take it on your phone. You can, if you're doing a Zoom, you can record it. You can do a screen recording. There's so many things that you can do. But a video can also help you if you want to go back and refer to it at a later time. So these are three things that I like to do, some tips that I wanted to share when it comes to taking notes during calls. This can work whether you're working with a client, you're working with a customer, but when you're on a call, a lot of times your mind might be going ahead and trying to solve the problem. But by doing these three things, it lets you slow down, really listen to the problem that the person is facing, and be able to provide the best solution that you can. So if you're looking for a tool to help you organize these notes and these thoughts and these ideas that you get while you're on a call or after your call to help make your thoughts more clean and organized, you can check out our tool, Swizel.app, to learn more about our brainstorming tool, which can help you as a tech entrepreneur, a tech business owner, to brainstorm ideas and to manage all your projects.